everyone, it's Demolition Derby for Life. I'm here gonna do a new vehicle that I just picked up. Well, technically I didn't pick it up. It was me and my girlfriend. We picked this thing up for about, how much was it? 550 bucks. It is a non-derby project. Yes, it is a non-derby project. Well, maybe, depending how things go, could be a derby project. But for now, it is not. It is going to be a restoration project. We found this thing on Facebook. The guy was asking 700 some bucks for it, I think. And then I talked him down. Some other guy was coming to look at it, but he decided, or the guy didn't show up, and then he was actually contacting the day we went to go look at the truck. Oh, whoops, I gave it away. It is a 1961 Chevrolet Apache 220, Apache 20. Yes, I picked up a truck for restoration. This is by far, not a very clean truck. It is going to be a lot. Geesh, something's going on tonight. It's the second cop car going by. Whoo, speed demons. Something's going on. Must be an accident. Well, back to this. This is a 1961 Apache 20. This was in something Carver. I think that's the tag of the dealership that this truck was bought off of. From what I was told about this truck, this thing sat in a barn for since 79, I think. No, not 79. Yeah, 79 I think it was. This thing sat in there. This truck has a damage. The barn actually collapsed on top of this truck. So you got your little dings here. The roof is kinked down a little bit. Nothing you can do about it. I can maybe try popping it out. I did pop out one dent actually, which was somewhere on here. It is a very big, old, beefy truck. A lot of rust. It's definitely going to be a lot of work, but I think it's going to be worth it. It's not going to be bring it back to its glory days. It's going to be a rat rod. That's the deal I want to go with it. I want to build it into a rat rod just because it's going to be too much work to bring it back to its original form. There's going to be a lot of patching, just a lot of restoration, I think it's called. It's just a lot of work, and I don't want to stick a lot of money into this. It's something cheap. It's a Minnesota truck. It's not clean. I will be putting the new body on a different frame. I have not decided exactly what I want to put it on yet, or what will work, but it's a future plan. It's a future project, but for now it's just going to be a lawn ornament. I saw this thing and I just said I had to have it. It just was so cool. And my girlfriend wanted to do a restoration project or a rat rod I want to go rat rod. She wants to go restoration. I think it's going to be better for a rat rod just because of how far gone it is. Worst case scenario, we both lose interest in it and I turn this into a derby truck. Possibly. But this thing sits so low to the ground. I think this would be, just how it is already, would be a perfect rat rod project. This thing looks so cool. There's a lot of stuff I need to do, like the boards that were for the bed are all rotted out. Gonna tear all those out. The frame is pretty rotted. It's not worth it. Not worth restoring. I don't know how the rims are. I might be able to save all the rims. I know like that one holds air. This one, I think one of them had rusted through really bad. I don't remember which one it was. I think it was this one. Or it could have just been my imagination. I mean, it runs wild, so. But, I mean, this thing is just awesome. Like, it's so cool. It's very old. The tailgate, I mean, it's rusty. It's typical Minnesota rust. Semi-shuts. This doesn't quite close. The box is a little bit out of whack right there. It's just gotta figure out, like bend the box back in or something, get it realigned. Back bumper's junk. It's all bent to crap, so I'm gonna pull that off and I'm gonna put. I think I'm gonna build my own back bumper. I think that will work a lot better. But like I said, this thing is gonna be sitting on a different frame, so I'm not too worried. Something that really sucks is when they had this thing sitting in the barn. This door was open, and then when it collapsed on top of the door, or when the door was open like this or something, and then when it collapsed, it caught the door and it bent everything up. It just bent it all down. I'm gonna see if I can save the door, or try to re-bend everything back together, try to save it. If not, I'm gonna have to try to find another door. I mean, hopefully same paint color, or definitely same paint color, baby blue. And I don't know how hard it is gonna be to find one of those. But I mean, like, it looks like they tried to do Bondo jobs on like the corner panels. Doesn't look very good. I mean, I'm thinking about maybe just cutting it out, make it, maybe just cutting it out or redoing it. But maybe I can find something better. I mean, it's just kind of gonna be it's gonna be a long project. I know for a fact it's gonna be a very, very long project. Interior is garbage, so I'm gonna end up redoing it. Well, actually, like, the dash is all metal. Like, this whole truck is metal, except for the seat. That's it. And then the floor is getting rusted through. I mean, back here, oh, I did not notice that. That's all rusted through. Looks like they did a patch job or something. But I'm going to probably end up cutting this whole floor out and then redoing it. I mean, it's pulling away at the seams. I don't know. That's the gas tank right behind the seat. That's funny. I think that's the gas tank. Looks like it. But, like, that's going to be... Oh, it's going to be a very long project. Let's see if I can get it to semi-close. But one thing I'm actually really happy about is all the glass is in this truck yet. The glass isn't broken out. It's not... I mean, the weather stripping is a little far gone, but that I'll probably have someone professionally take it out, redo the glass, and then put it back in after the truck is, like, restorated a little bit or whatever. But there you go, guys. There is a new not derby vehicle, not yet anyway, a new project to the family. This thing is going to be sitting for a little while. I don't know when I'm going to get to it, or if I'll get to it, for who knows how long it's going to sit. I got a lot of derby projects going on, but this thing is going to be maybe a winter project, or throughout the winters. we'll find out. But there's a lot of stuff to do on it, and hopefully we'll be able to get it all good in golden shape and get it taken care of. I don't even know if this door opens. It does open. Ooh, that is nasty. Yeah, that is nasty. I don't even know if this is worth saving. Oh, I did not think this through. Oh well. It's a restoration project. Like I said, I'm going to be putting all new floors in anyway. Or re-welding floors in, I should say. I just got to find a kit for the floor panels, or have a company make them up that I know that would be able to do that, and then I just have to make it work. But there you go, guys. There is the new restoration project. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's something different, something new. There are a few minor things missing that I can see, but it's a project. Nothing's gonna be easy. Nothing with this anyway. I did actually have one guy, when I was bringing this home, he wanted to buy this off of me, and he gave me his card and stuff, but I turned him down. I'm thinking about it. If this thing's not worth it, I'm gonna definitely get rid of, or not get rid of it, maybe just part it out or save it. But definitely want to keep that hood. That hood is awesome. I want to find a spot for it. But again, guys, thank you guys for watching my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know much about this kind of truck. I don't know if you guys have any pointers on what I should do, but it's going to be a project, that's for sure. It's going to be a fun project, I think. I want to get this thing running and driving. One day I will try to get this thing running and driving. But again, guys, thank you guys for watching my videos. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.